Hi there, welcome to the Quality Mentor. I am a certified Six Sigma Black Belt Senior Quality Assurance Specialist through the Council of Six Sigma Certification. And on this channel, I'm going to help you master quality assurance, quality control, principles and methodologies of Six Sigma, quality management systems, and many more. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about quality assurance, its principles, processes, and practice. But before we talk about quality assurance, we need to first of all understand what is quality. Quality is the degree to which a product or service meets specified requirements and customer expectations. What is quality assurance? It is a proactive and systematic approach to ensure processes consistently deliver well defined standards. Quality assurance involves prevention by building quality into processes before errors occur. It also involves standardization through the development of standard operating procedures and documentations called SOPs, and ensuring repeatability of processes. Quality assurance also involves continuous improvement through monitoring, measuring, and refining systems. Like in every organization, quality assurance has a core principle of continuous improvement, and it is done in a cycle that we call the PDCA cycle, which is plan, which involves defining objectives, identifying risks, setting quality standards. Do it implements processes, it trains personnel, and executes the SOPs it has written or developed. It checks by monitoring results, performing audit compliances, and analyzing data. Acts, it corrects deviations, it improves systems, and updates procedures. Some key quality assurance tools and systems. The first, which is the most important, is documentation. The documentation, here we are talking about the standard operating procedures, where the quality assurance specialist comes to enforce consistency across all operations. The quality assurance specialist performs CAPAs, that is corrective and preventive actions, that drives root cause analysis. They perform internal audits, that is doing systemic reviews by verifying process compliances and effectiveness. The quality assurance specialist also performs data integrity using the Alcoa Plus method, which stands for attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, and accurate. So these tools work together in an integrated manner to form a quality management system. Now, what are some of the duties of a quality assurance specialist and the career paths? The responsibilities include the review and approve standard operating procedures and batch records, conduct internal audits and inspections, manage deviations, CAPAs, and change control, ensures regulatory compliances such as GMP and GLP, which stands for Good Manufacturer Practice and Good Laboratory Practice. They train staff on quality systems, release or reject products and data. Some career paths include you could be a quality assurance inspector or analyst, quality assurance specialist, quality assurance manager, the head of the quality department, also called the quality director, the vice president of quality, that we refer to as the chief quality officer, in various industries such as the pharma industry, the biotech, medical devices industry, food, aerospace, and IT industries. Now, as a summary, quality assurance helps in preventing risks and variability. Quality assurance uses the PDCA cycle and various tools in performing quality across all the systems, and it enforces consistent quality outputs. One of the foundations of quality assurance is documentation. It is often said, if it is not written, then it didn't happen. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share with others who may find it helpful. If you have any questions about quality assurance, leave it in the comments below and I'll be happy to help, and see you in the next video. Bye.